Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm currently in China and I thought it'd be good to brush up on my Chinese. Of course, I've enlisted some help.
La la, na 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 la la na.
Well, let's start with the basics.
Cut.
剪
剪
See.
剪
剪
Tip.
尖
剪
Cheap.
剪
剪 Easy man.
Sword.
剪
剪
Pieces.
剪
剪 Boring.
Concurrent inspection.
尖剪
Ooh, 剪剪
Reduce.
剪剪
Now that's what I'm talking about. 剪剪
Simplify.
剪剪剪
剪剪剪 I killed this man. I killed this man.
Simultaneous inspection and cutting to see pieces of cheap, sharp swords to reduce simplicity.
剪剪剪剪剪剪剪剪剪剪剪剪剪
Let's go round 2.
Where?
那
Nah.
That's it.
那啦
Nah la.
Take that.
那那
Nah nah.
Spicy sausage.
啦啦那
Nah la la. I've got this.
That's it. How can I take the spicy meatballs?
那啦那那那那啦啦那
Okay, one last one. Let's do this.
Vice.
父
Foo.
Father.
父
Foo.
Pay.
父
What the heck? Foo. Let's turn this up a bit.
Couple.
夫妇
Foo foo.
Government service.
夫妇
Foo foo. Foo foo.
Go to husband.
夫夫
Foo foo. Foo foo.
Deputy husband and wife's father pays the government service and goes to husband.
夫夫夫夫夫夫夫夫夫
Well, that's the end of lesson 1. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay so thirsty.